JouleSmart is a company that provides intelligent building solutions to small commercial businesses. We develop software that runs in the cloud that allows us to manage, monitor, and control facilities that are spread all across the country.
We transform underperforming small and medium buildings into intelligent, comfortable, and efficient places of business. This delivers an improved bottom line, increased productivity, and an enhanced customer experience.
No one out there is doing what we do. JouleSmart brings a comprehensive solution to the small commercial segment that not only includes the technology, but the financing, the processes needed to implement it, and the ongoing operation and maintenance of the equipment.
Planet Fitness is known for its superior customer experience. JouleSmart can enhance that same customer experience by being your partner and taking over your energy infrastructure, for managing your HVAC system, for managing the airflow, by managing your lighting, and doing that on the long term as a partner for you, and doing this at no cost to you.
Our Planet Fitness customers have saved up to 40% on their annual energy cost. For a Planet Fitness franchise with multiple locations, we have a fantastic solution. It allows you to look across all of your locations and determine which sites are performing well and which ones need additional attention. All of the JouleSmart information that we collect from your facilities is brought to the cloud, which enables you to make instantaneous business decisions. Our work is not done once the installation is complete. JouleSmart certified contractors maintain everything that we install and your HVAC equipment for the entire term of the agreement. With JouleSmart, we're future-proofing our customers' business. To be competitive in the future, our customers have to evolve. We're helping them create a smart business to help them get there.
If you're interested in transforming your Planet Fitness facility into an intelligent building, contact JouleSmart Solutions.